Have you ever heard of the Pareto principle? The 80-20 rule was invented by Vilfredo Pareto in Italy in 1906. According to legend, Pareto, an economist, noticed that 20% of his pea pods in his garden provided 80% of the peas. As a result, he set out to apply this to his trade. What he found was that this theory was really incredibly accurate, not just in economic terms, but in most disciplines. The Pareto principle states that roughly 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. What are some of the real-life examples of the 80-20 rule or the Pareto principle in practice? How about all the people you know, both friends and family, who are the 20% that you spend most time with? I would be willing to bet there is an 80% positive energy return. How can you lean into them, and how can they lean into you? How about reading 20 minutes with your child? Is there an 80% chance of them becoming readers as they get older? Well, here are the facts. Starting in kindergarten, if a student reads 20 minutes a day at home, they will hear 1.8 million words per year. They will have read 851 hours by the 6th grade, and on standardized tests, they will likely score better than 90% of their peers. How about a 20-minute nap with 80 minutes of improved energy? Emerging research is showing that short naps can boost work productivity too. Napping for just 20 minutes may provide ample benefits, including improved alertness, mood, and overall energy. I've applied this to my son's earnings. Every $100 he earns, $20 goes into his pocket, and $80 goes into his savings account. This year alone, he will own 80% of his car. So how can the Pareto principle apply to you? When I perform an executive or life coaching session, I often ask the questions that are about being intentional. If distilled to its core, it is about planning or navigating your life, not just steering through life. Now think about that. Anyone can steer a truck, but navigating the day-to-day pickups and deliveries, now that's a true skill. When we navigate and we plan our lives, we actually have a better outcome. This is why I provide coaching, because people move intentionally forward with goals and plans that are measurable and tangible in their personal and professional life. Here's my point. Being intentional is a learned skill and a habit. A skill and habit we can apply the 80-20 rule. What if we actually planned our day-to-day activities? What if I sat down on a Sunday and put 20% of my day planning my week? Is it possible that Monday through Friday might be 80% more productive, full of high-quality activity and results? Would the 20% of seeds I planted yesterday produce 80% better results today? I already know the answer to this question. I'm convinced that 20% intentional planning gives you 80% return. Try using the 80-20 rule at home and at work. See if you think it works. If you're convinced, then teach your children, your friends, and colleagues. It really can make a difference in how we become more intentional while creating more capacity in the areas you want to improve in your life. Well, that is this installment of Leadership with Little Hale. I hope this has an 80% return in your life. Have a great day.